Guys, there's a beehive outside my house, and so I'm gonna attack it, even though I just spawned in. Okay, I should be good at getting up here. I can hear a bee. Oh, I see it. Look at that fat bee. Look at that fat beehive. I haven't attacked it yet, but I will. Oh, oh. I can see a bee. What the heck? The heck? Guys, alright. I got this. I'm gonna attack the bee and the beehive, and I'm gonna run as fast as I can. I gotta go! I gotta go! Ah! It's chasing me! Help me! I gotta go to my parents' house. They can't see me. Ah, I gotta go to my parents' house. I gotta go to my parents' house. I gotta get out of here. I can't even go in here. I can't let them know. Well, there's only one. Gotta get out of here. I gotta make it out. I gotta make it to my parents' house. Help me. Oh, yeah. I think it's down there. Oh, scary. Never again, never. I'm almost at my parents' house. Come on, come on. Get that out of here. I don't need that anymore. Mom! Dad! This is my backpack. You won't find me in here. Safe. I forgot what that